I just posted a picture on a chat room. If you guys getting didn't get in on this short little long run, um, it was good. I got 8 ticks out of that at least. It was an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so if you look at your chart pattern, um, look at what I posted. It was an inverted head and shoulder, and that it gave you your entry price, and you would have gotten you would have gotten that. Okay, so chart patterns, guys, it's really helpful. Okay, it really works. I put it out there for a reason. If you studied it, you would have saw that. Yeah, some say it could be a cup and handle, but overall, with the S2, 3, and 4, it became inverted head and shoulder. Okay, so what we got going on over here is we got a resistance level at R1. Okay, um, so we are now closing in over the moving average. So we possibly might be going for a short. Okay, so if you guys didn't trade, um, if you guys look at the market last night was really good, and this morning was really good. So pretty content with already what I had. Um, Yesterday I did a trade at open. I made like 15 grand in like 10 minutes with Tesla. It was a risky trade. You know, I bought 500 shares of Tesla and then I just wrote it for 10 minutes because um there was a there was a cup and handle right at the open, and it was a promising signal. So I bought that trade. 500 shares of Tesla. Ran it for like about good 10 minutes I think, and I cashed out. I posted something yesterday. Cashed out about 15 grand on that. So that was a good trade. Um, so pretty happy with that one. Traded last night. Traded this morning. This morning was really good. At the open, we did do continue to drop. Um, it was good. Okay, we had a good drop right about 3:35, about 5 6 minutes after the open. Okay. So right now I just got another trade in with a inverted head and shoulders. Okay, there's a lot of wicks going on today, but the market was channeling earlier about 4 o'clock. It was channeling upward. If you could draw your channel lines, remember I showed you guys how to do that. Then you would have saw that it bounced between the channels, and you could have kept the long run. Okay, so this morning we're gonna try and hit for quota. Okay, just gonna try to hit just a conservative quota, so you can be okay. Make sure you guys have your trade plan in place, and make sure you have your brackets in place. Right now, I'm trying to run. I'm running six. I'm gonna go for 8. I'm gonna try and run 8 contracts. I was running 6 earlier. I'm gonna try and run 8 contracts now, and then I got no stops. I'm a target out. Running my run the 2 ticks right now because our road is thin. Okay, so I'm gonna use a breakout above the R2 R3. We just broke out of that. Okay, don't forget to plot your VWAP at 59. You can 2660. Okay, your VWAP should be on screen, so you can plot that. And then let's see what we got. So we got going on over here. Big level 2 upside. Okay, let's go. Hold on, let's see where this thing goes. 79 short.
Stop filled. Order filled.
79 short with the win. You got your 2 ticks on that one. Okay, we continue to go. We're gonna break down. Let's see. We already hit the moving average. Okay, I'm gonna take this thing at 77 short. See if it continues down.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Reversing over the moving average. We got a doji coming in. Move your 77 up to 78 short. Reversing.
Stop filled.
Canceling that one. I'm gonna cancel that one at 2 ticks. Okay, we're going
Stop
sideways
filled.
right now. I'm gonna wait to see if we pop off. There we go. 80 long. Oh, we're inside the moving average. 78 short. Canceling out the long order.
Stop filled.
78 short with the win. Okay, draw your rectangle.
Order filled.
There's a breakout off the S2. Okay, probably gonna work our way back down to 50. 77 short. 77 short with the win.
Stop filled.
Short.
Order filled.
76 short with the win. Let's go 75 down below the cyan.
Stop filled.
See if it breaks down below.
Stop filled.
I canceled that thing out right when that RSI flipped. See if you go for a long over here. 78.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Ah, la, 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 la. Let's see. Looking for this reversal coming over here. 76 short. 77 long.
Stop filled. Order filled.
76 short with the win. That was a fast one.
Stop filled. Order filled.
And a 77 long with the win. Pull back, pull back, pull back. 78 long. See, I'm gonna just trade the solid number increment. I'm not gonna do the 25-cent increment. Moving down to 77 long. I'm gonna chase this thing. 75 short off the cyan.
Stop filled. Order filled.
75 short with the win. Cancel the long at 77. Let's look and make our way back down to the 73 level. 75 short.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Doji coming in. 77 long.
Order
Stop
filled.
75 short with the win. Drag yours
Stop
long
filled.
from 77 to
Stop
76. That 76 was a win. Let's see what we got here. Below the zero line. Our sellers are fading. Let's see if our
Stop
buyers
filled.
come
Order
in.
filled.
Yep, that's 78. Let it pull back below. If they pull back below the 78, put an order in at 78. There we go. 78. $78 long with the win. Big level 2 up there at 80. Let's go 79. Oh, let's go. Let's see if we can play the 80 again.
Stop filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
78 long. 76
Order
short.
filled.
77 short. Sorry.
Stop filled. Order filled.
77 short with the win. Cancel out that 78.
Order
Stop
filled. Stop filled. Order filled.
Should already hit your quota. Okay, we're coming down
Stop
to S1,
filled.
S2 level. Let's see if we break that down.
Order filled.
74 short.
Stop filled. Order filled.
74 short
Stop
with the win.
filled.
2 ticks, guys. That's all we need, man. It's just 2 ticks. You're gonna add up. 73 short.
Order filled.
73 short with the
Stop
win.
filled.
Okay, looks like it's gonna drop. You can open up your bracket. 72 short. I'll let this thing pull back.
Order filled.
Run it. 72. Run it. Run it. 72. Keep going. Take it out at 70. There it is. 8 ticks on that.
Stop
Reversal
filled.
coming in. 71 long.
Order filled.
71 long with the win.
Stop filled.
Go again. 71. Possible flag pattern. Flag pattern entry. Let's do this thing at 69
filled.
short. Cancel. Cancel that. Let it bottom out first. Okay, so you saw how that happened, and I saw the road that was opening up, and then we just went and opened our brackets, and then we got 8 ticks out of that. So that was a good trade. Yeah. So you got to be quick now. Okay. Got to be quick, and then you right back to right back to your 2 tick. Okay. Right back to your 2 tick bracket. Pull back. Let this thing pull back below 70 and you can hit that 70 long. If not, I'll go 71.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I took that thing out. I took that thing out at break even. By the way, 71. Gotta be able to play it, man. I saw the RSI is kind of just fluctuating over there from dark green to bright green, dark red to bright red. So I canceled that thing out at break even. Although we went above that, but not at the moment. Okay. 72, 73 long, Mr. 72. Oh, here we go. Let it pull back before pull it down. 72 long.
Stop filled. Order filled.
There we go. 72 long with the win. 73 long.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Drag it back down. 72 long. $72 long with the win again.
Stop
Okay, guys,
filled.
we got some pretty good trades
Order
going on.
filled.
Okay, we broke over the magenta 75 long. If this thing pulls back below 74, you can take it at 74.
Order Stop filled. filled.
75 long with the win. Road is wide. Goes see 76. Oh, reversal coming in. Let's see.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
76 with the win. Okay, how you guys doing so far? You guys should be all right, man. The beauty about this is the market actually kind of stabilized around level two. So as you saw like 1 or 2 weeks ago, level twos was the prices wasn't catching up to the level two level. So right now we're doing back almost normal. So like last night the market was pretty predictable. It was easy to trade. Same thing like right now. It's pretty easy to trade because volatility is not that crazy. Although they would still say the market is volatile right now. Um, it's okay. I mean, we're getting filled pretty quick. I'm running my 8 contracts, so that's pretty good.
Stop filled.
76 short.
Stop filled.
Cancel that. Cancel that order. Here it comes. Doji. See if it comes below the moving average. 75 short.
Stop filled. Order filled.
75 short. That thing went down one tick. Okay, so here's the drill. Okay, so just like that 75. Okay, that 75 short. It did go down to two tick. It didn't fill me all the way. I got filled at partial. But the moment I saw that RSI, remember that RSI signal? The moment I see that RSI signal start to flip over, immediately I'm just taking out my order. Okay, because it jumps pretty, you know, it jumps like four ticks. Okay, so you got to be quick. Now there's a lot of ticks we made. Okay, but I lost two trades already for a total of three ticks. Okay, so I mean, which is not that bad, but for me that's 300 bucks. Um, but still green. Okay, still make up 1,000 so far, so I'm okay with that. Okay, cup and handle coming in, entry at your R1, so you can take this thing at 78. There it is, 78 long. That's a win. At that cup and handle entry, if you took that, you would have saw that one.
Order
Okay, we are
filled.
leveling out at R3 level, so we're gonna look for the reversal coming in. Not sure if it's gonna break out above the 81. Oh, yeah, probably did. Break above the 81. Let's go to the next level. So it's going to run to the next level, 82. We can take this thing at
Order
83
rejected.
long. Open road.
Order rejected.
Big level 2 at 85. 83 long with the win. Go again. 83 long. Watch your RSI.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
83 long with the two tick win. See, we're going to ride this trend on the moving average. We are coming back in. Watch that candle where it closes, okay? Here it is. Here's the reversal.
Order rejected.
82 short.
Stop filled. Order filled.
I was going to say move your short to 83. If you did that, your 83 was a win. Your 82 it needs to be the
Stop filled.
breakout.
Order filled.
Okay. Then 82 needs to be the breakout. You can take that thing and okay. 82 hit with the win. Okay, guys. So I thought it's pretty good. What do you guys think? Hopefully you guys got your guys quote. Hopefully you guys are green. Okay. Um Remember now all you need is four ticks if you're doing four contracts or any amount of contracts. Four ticks to get you pretty good, man. Um, Tim posted something earlier that it's a longer perspective about trading, right? Sometimes you think, oh man, is that all I got? Because you got FOMO, right? Fear of missing out. Okay, you hear somebody like me, but you cannot compare yourself to me. I'm a very seasoned veteran trader, but when you hear of other people making profits, it's like fear of missing out, right? But don't let that bother you, okay? So if you scroll back and you look at what Tim posted, you know, and I posted this before, there's 252 trading days out of the year, right? And if you hit $200 a day, that's $1,000 a week, $4,000 a month. You're making about 50,000 a year. Okay, you gotta put it into perspective. Okay, even though it may seem like it's not a lot. Okay, even though I'm making call outs for 30 minutes. Okay, we make it at least what more than what 15. How much call outs did I have today? I told I didn't even keep track. All I know is it generated a lot of ticks. Okay, but if you look at that and put it into perspective, right? $200 a day, that's all you need. If you're trading four contracts, that's just four ticks. Okay. Um, make your trade plan, whatever your trade plan is gonna be. I gave let's see. I gave someone a simple trade plan because he was kind of stuck in thinking about what kind of trade plan he can work with. So just a simple trade plan, okay? And this is what I told him. I say just focus on breakouts and reversals, nothing else. Okay, don't focus on um other chart patterns and all that stuff at this moment. Okay, just breakout and reversals. Don't do more than 8 trades. Okay, run your four contracts. Use a two tick bracket. You can modify your stop based on your loss risk and pullbacks. Remember how we measure the pullbacks on the candle? That'll determine your stop loss, right? So you can modify that. Stop at $200. That's including with commissions now. So it's probably going to take you more than 4 ticks, maybe 5, depending on what your commission table is. Okay. Don't trade more than 30 minutes. Okay, that's a $200 a day trade plan. Okay, that's the plan. Never deviate from your plan. I will tell you this and repeat that again. Never deviate from your plan. Okay, if you're incurring like a $800 loss, $1,200 loss, something is wrong with your plan. Okay, because there's no reason why you should be down $8 to $1,000. You're either gambling, you're either chasing, okay, and your discipline is right out the window. Okay, you have no plan. If you tell me you lost $800 in a trade, I know you don't have a plan. Okay, because if you have a plan, there's no way you can lose that much. Okay, because I don't think anybody has a risk loss level of $800, right? Especially if you got a small account. Okay, risk loss level is basically what can you live with if you lose throughout the day. Okay, so if your account you're allowed to lose, I wouldn't say 5% of it, but let's say when you're trading and you say, okay, $400 loss is my max, and you hit $400. Okay, say you went down 8 ticks, right? That's a total of 8 ticks, and that's $400 loss. Okay, then you should be done for the day. Don't ever go in and try to dig yourself out of the hole. Okay, it's just you gotta stop. You gotta shut it down. You gotta come back later and refocus, as if it's a new day. And whenever you come back to trade, when you have a losing day, okay. Now you can lose trades. I've lost trades today. I lost 2 trades. Okay, but it doesn't matter to me because I'm not losing the day. Okay, it's all about the days. There's a whole cycle right now going on. Okay, if you lose the day, you don't want to come back in and do a revenge trade. Or even if you lose a trade, you don't want a revenge trade. It's the worst thing you can do because your mindset is totally gone. Okay. If you're coming in there with a mindset like, oh, damn it, I lost in 6 ticks, I got to get it back. No, you just come in and you trade as if it's your first time trading. So, okay, I'm going to come in and I'm going to execute my plan and I'm going to make my 2 ticks. That should be the mindset that you're telling yourself. Boom, you hit your 2 ticks, you come back in again. I'm going to execute my trade plan. I'm going to hit my 2 ticks. Before you know it, your 2 ticks will probably add up to like 12 ticks, 16 ticks, and so on and so forth. Okay, it's all about mindset, guys. It's all about mindset. When you trade, it's all about mindset. I mean, it may sound kind of corny or whatever, but believe it or not, it's all about mindset and discipline. Okay, you gotta stick to your plan, even though this thing runs for 40 ticks, and you got only 2 ticks. Be happy, okay? Because you could have incurred a negative. right? So that's the fear of missing out, and you might kick yourself in the ass. Oh man, I should have. Nah, ain't no woulda, coulda, shoulda. Not in trading. Okay, you cannot go on your gut. You cannot go on, the whole crystal ball kind of thing. You have to trade with what's in front of you, and this is the only reason. This is the only way I trade. I look at what's in front of me. I use the tools that's in front of me. Okay, if I see something happening, whether it be a chart pattern, a breakout, how we are on a moving average, the reversals, the RSI, I look what's in front of me. Okay, I'm not gonna guess like, okay, well, it hit there last 20 minutes ago. It should go again. Nah, you can use that reference line if it's a support line, but you know, always trade with what's in front of you. Okay, and stick to a plan. Okay, if your plan calls for 8 trades a day and you hit your 8 trades, shut it down. Go do something else, or flip it over and practice something. You know, um, then you're gonna find yourself doing good. But back to what I was saying about Timmy, right? If you do $200 a day, and if you followed my calls today, you are well over 200. You should be okay, unless you're too scared to click the buy or sell button. Okay, with your bracket now, it's automatic. Okay, 200 a day is 50,000 a year. It's pretty good money, guys. Okay, for really sitting down. Sun hasn't even come up yet, and for us here in Hawaii anyway, um, and you're making quota like that into perspective. Okay, it's like working $25 an hour for 8 hours. That's $200 a day. Okay, and at this point, right, you got a couple thousand people not even they lost their jobs. So prepare yourself for greatness. Okay. Now if you do $400 a day, double that. Man, you make 100 grand a year. Okay. Um if you can do 500 a day, even better. Okay, that's 10 grand a month. That's 120 grand a year. It's $500. Okay, if you followed my calls today, you should be well over $500. Okay. Thousand a day, you make about 250K. Okay. That's just good money, man. $1,000 is totally doable. Okay. You grow your 4 contracts, you grow your account up, then you can work at 6 contracts, then you can go to 8 contracts. Once you get to eight, man, it's gravy. Okay. Now I know it might be impossible, not impossible. I shouldn't say that word. Scratch that. Right now the margins are high. So running 8 contracts is probably going to do a lot. Okay. But that should be the goal when the market corrects itself. Right? We're already in correction. Look, we're at almost at 2,700. Okay. Then when you can get to 8 contracts, that's gravy, man. That's gravy train because every tick is $100. Okay, that's good money. You'll be making good money. Um, and then of course, running like $4,000 a day, you make 1 million a year. Okay, I cleared over that last year. Okay, so it's totally doable. Okay, bought some more properties. So um, utilize what's in front of, and I would say, don't give up. It's a good thing. If you can get this thing down, man, you give 100%, you get 100% in return. And in today's situation, right now, um, life as we know it is forever altered. It's forever changed. Okay. As far as people is kind of like they got so I think people got content with everything, but right now it's a big, 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 big ass eye opener, man. Like I mean, I've spoke to people who never thought they'd ever get furloughed after 40, 50 years of work. Never thought they get furloughed, and they gone. They lost it. They lost almost everything. 401ks, everything. Okay. Um, guys shutting down business permanently. I've spoke to some friends who was in a restaurant business. They're totally shut down after 20 something years. They cannot recover. Ain't no way in hell. So it's hard, but life as we know it is gonna take a while to recover. And if you guys have, I like to compare it to Walking Dead. It's just an apocalypse without the zombies. Yeah. Um, but other than that, you know, Trading is a good thing. It's done me wondered for the past almost 20 years. Okay. Um got to retire like 18 years ago. Okay, and so all I did was trade. Okay. Um so all I can say is that, keep practicing for those of you who just fairly new. Those of you who know, been in a while, correct your mistakes, keep practicing again, and then if you can go live, go right ahead, build that confidence up. Give yourself a test. You know, um, I might tell Vato we're probably gonna make a question like a little test. If you can answer all the questions correctly, that'll be like kind of like a rite of passage. Then you can pretty much see if you can go live. I might do that. I might put together like a little test and see if you can answer all of it correctly. If you can't, you're not ready to go live. Okay. So that'll be good. I think that'll be good. We've got nothing but time. Okay, so it's good. It's a great morning. Market's running pretty good. Okay, I'll probably stay on for a little bit, and then gonna do some stuff, but I'll come back periodically and probably pop in some more trades. Okay, and I'll be on chat room. If you guys need anything, let me know or let others know. Interact. Okay, it's fun, and you learn in the meantime. Um, other than that, stay safe. Okay, stay safe. You and your family stay safe, and I'll see you guys on Friday. All right, you guys have a great day.